Hi there, I'm Michael, and the next video you will see is a dance out of the home workshop series called Stay Home and Dance 2020. Take care and see you all again on the floor. Bye bye. Hi there, I'm Michael, and I would like to show you a nice little dance out of this home workshop series called Stay Home and Dance 2020. This dance is called Get Back to the Country. It's a 48 count, 4-ball line dance, one easy restart and a nice little finish. This song is written to the music Get Back to the Country by Marty, Stuart and Neil Young. An older song, but still a great one. If you like partner dancing, you will find the partner version. This version is called Get Back to the Country. So, take a look at it. Let's start with the steps for the line dance. Your weight is on the left. We start with the right foot. Section 1, heel, hook, heel, hitch, coaster, step, shuffle on the left and step half turn to the left. Section 2, do another half turn on the shuffle, shuffle, turn, sweep back, coaster, step or Mambo side and touch. Section 3, side, together, scissor, cross, side, together left, shuffle forward. Switching rock steps with right rock, recover and rock, recover, shuffle half turn to the left, shuffle, turn and step on another quarter turn to the left. Your weight is on the left foot. Walk, rock, recover, turn, shuffle on the left and heel right and left and the last 8 counts is side, rock, behind side, cross and side, rock, behind side, cross. Let's put all these steps together. 7, 8. Heel, hook, heel, hitch, coaster, step, shuffle, step, half turn and shuffle, turn, sweep back, coaster, step, Mambo side and touch, side, together, scissor, cross, side, together, shuffle, forward, rock, and rock, shuffle half turn, step, quarter turn, walk, rock, recover, turn, shuffle on the left, and heel and side, rock, behind side, cross and side, rock, behind side, cross. Let's do the same with the counts. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's the whole dance, except of the restart. The restart is in round 4. You will be facing 3 o'clock around 4. So dance the first 16 counts and restart the dance. Let's do it together. 7, 8. Heel, hook, heel, hitch, close the step. Shuffle on the left and step half turn. Shuffle, turn, sweep back, close the step. Mambo side and touch. Now restart the dance with the heel, hook, heel, hitch. And so on. And let's talk about that nice little finish. So the last round is round 6. Round 6 starts 12 o'clock. And let's do this last round. 7, 8. Heel, hook, heel, hitch, close the step. Shuffle on the left and step half turn. Shuffle, turn, sweep back, close the step. Mambo side and touch. Side together, this side cross. Side together, shuffle forward. Rock and rock. Shuffle half turn. And step forward turn. Walk, walk, rock and turn and shuffle. Heel and side rock. Behind side cross and side rock. And now on the last 2 counts, 7 and 8, change the behind side cross to a behind quarter to the right and step forward on your left. You will face 12 o'clock. Again, tap on the brim of your hand or just clap your hands and say thank you to these great singers. Thanks for watching, have fun, stay at home, take care, and let you see you all on the dance floor again. Don't forget, if you like partner dancing, there's a partner dance out there to the same music with similar steps. Just take a look on Get Back to the Country. Bye bye and see you.